Yo, what's going on guys, it's Reese here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Discord server. So anyways, let's get started. So first of all, you need to click on this plus button down here and click on create a server. And then you want to give a name for your server. First one, just put tutorial. And now you want to change your server region to whatever is closest to you. For me, because I'm in the UK, I'm going to select Western Europe. The reason why you want to do this is because when you're in a voice channel, there will be hardly any delay between you and your friend speaking if the server region is close to you. And you can update the server icon if you want to, once it's leave it as is, and just hit create. Now as you can see, it automatically connects you to a voice channel. You just want to disconnect from that. And now you want to click up here, server settings, and now you want to create your roles, what is basically like permissions for sets of groups. And just hit a plus icon up here. And the first one I'm going to do is called owners. And just hit save changes. You want to display them separately from other members. Allow anyone to mention as well, and admin. So when you give them the admin permission, you'll basically give the user all of these permissions. And just hit save changes. And now you want to admin one. Save changes. You just want for admin to do the same as owner, so let's tick off these 3 boxes. And then we're gonna have mods. So we'll display them separately, allow anyone to mention as well. They can manage the roles, they can manage channels, kick members, manage messages, mute members, deafen members, and move members, and save changes. And you can go off this, and now we're going to create the text channels. So to create a text channel, you just go up here and then click this plus icon and create a name for it. The first one you're going to do is called rules, which should basically be for the rules of the server. The second will be the announcements. And you want a CMD one so that people can type in bot commands. We will be adding bots later. You want a music one so that people can type in music commands. You want a report one so that people can report other users. You want a YouTube one so that people can post their YouTube channels and videos. You want a mod area so that the mods can talk, and you have to have the hyphen in there because it will allow you to have no spaces. And also admin area with a hyphen. And now we'll give permissions to the text channel, so go over to roles and click this little jug icon and go to permissions, and everyone, they can allow them to read the messages but they can't send any messages. But the admins and owners can do that. And we'll do the same for announcements. And now we'll do mod area. So edit channel permissions. Area cannot read messages, but we only want the mods too, and some messages. And we'll do admins. So we don't want everyone to read messages. So we want the admins to be able to read messages and send messages. And now we do the voice channels. So first we'll want a music one, where people can listen to music through the bots. We want a mod area one. And we want an admin area. And just do the permissions for that, so everyone cannot speak in here. and mod area. No one can connect, only me mods, and I can speak, and the same for admin area. We don't want everyone to connect, but we do want the admins to connect and speak. And we also want a local bots where we'll be setting up bots. And just give them admin and display separately. And we also want a section called logs. We don't want everyone to see that, so we'll go to permissions and no one can see that. Only the admins and owners can. Okay, and now we'll configure the bots. Okay, and you want to go to the Dino website, and there'll be a link in the description. And when you're here, you just want to go to invite Dino. Select this server, for me will be tutorial, and authorize. Okay, and now you want to go back to Discord and allow and give Dino the bots for, and give yourself the owner role too, and go back to Dino. Okay, once you're here, this will basically limit the commands so only the mods and upper than that can access them. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. The nickname is basically, you can change the name for Dino on the server, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. Command prefix can change whenever you type in a command, so whenever you type in a command, you'd have to put question mark and then a command, unless you change it. Okay, modules. Okay, the action log basically makes logs in the logs channel or what we set up just, and basically puts in there what's happened in the server. So I'm gonna enable that. Auto roles basically gives people roles whenever they join the server or if they've been regular or something. Custom commands basically is where you can type a custom command. So say if I do question mark hi, I could get a bot to respond to me saying hello at VSteve. Okay, stats will skip because that's just the stats for the bot or for a server, I think. The music is basically so we can play music in the channels what we set up just. Announcements is basically welcome messages or leave messages and bang. Okay, auto mod is basically where it can act as a mod itself to keep the server in shape. Okay, moderation is another way the bot keeps the server in shape, but whereas you type in commands, so say if I do question mark warn and then the user, I basically can give the user a warning. Tags basically allows users to create tags. Auto respond basically will automatically respond to a text trigger. So say if I put something in, so say if I make a message and it says hi in it, the bot could respond back with hi without it having a command prefix. The coords channel will basically automatically delete any non-coords messages in coords channels. Reminders will basically allow people to set reminders and then Dino will remind them. AFK is basically when you do question mark AFK, it will give you a AFK status. Okay, commands you can enable this commands you want to use, basically says what they do here. I'm just gonna leave all that as is. Okay, on announcements, I'm gonna set up a join message where basically when someone joins they'll be given a welcome message. So you want to select general, and what you want to do, user in the brackets where you can just copy paste it from down there. Welcome to the brackets server, it should basically put the server name, Discord server, comma, make sure to follow rules, and just hit update. Of course, you can enable other messages if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Auto responder will basically, whenever someone, say if I do hi, this could do hi back to me, but without the command trigger. So say if I do hi in here, it'll respond back saying hi, but without without me doing a question mark. Auto roles will basically give people roles automatically when they join, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Auto mod is basically we can use Dino as a moderation tool, so I'm just gonna enable all of these. Okay, for your log channel you want to select the hashtag logs. Banned words, you can add in a list of banned words here. There's a good list on GitHub where basically it will show like nearly like every bad word there is. Okay, so I'll have a link down in the description of a list of bad words. So all you have to do is highlight all of these, do Control C, and Control V in here, and just hit add. And as you can see, it's added all of them down here. Okay, now on custom commands, you can just make a command, say if I do test, and I do this. This is a test message. So say if I do that, I'll hit add, and then I'll go into and I'll go into Discord, and then say if I do test, it'll respond back to me there. And of course you can use variables in here, so say if I do test 2, I could do user, this is a test message in, and then it's server name. On the channel text channel. So say if I do that and I hit add, and if I go back in Discord and I do test 2, it'll basically do at VC, which is it'll basically do at VC, which is in brackets user. This is a test message in the server name, which is server in brackets, on the general, which is in brackets channel texture. And on this side we can just view the comments you made. Okay, on moderation, you can DM users on kickban/mute and delete mod comments and you can use all of as is, and the log channel you just set the log channel yourself. On tags, I'm just gonna leave tags as is. On music, I'm gonna limit comments to mod/DJ only, and I'm just gonna quickly make a mod DJ. I'm just gonna make a DJ raw. Save changes. Yeah, I'll give myself that role. DJ. I'll just refresh this. And select the DJ role. And set the music channel. Refresh again. And enable this. Okay, and that is it for the Dinobot. Okay, another bot will recommend you add is called Me6. It's pretty funny. It's like a XP level ranking system. So the more you type, the more you level rank XP. So to add this, you just hit. So to add this, you just click on add to Discord. and authorize, and set your server for me tutorial, and hit authorize on this. And you can go through all of this if you want to, but I'm just gonna go through the level system as that's what I only use it for. So just click OK on this, and you can change the announcement whenever a user levels up, and you can obviously reward people. So if I go back onto Discord and I go into, well, if I give me 60 bucks for, and then if I go onto CMD, I'm going to do exclamation mark rank. I'm excited out of rank, so I'll just do random stuff. And now if I do rank, I'm basically got 15 XP just for saying that. And I can also through the leaderboard by doing exclamation mark levels. And if I go into this link, it will basically start to show the levels and the leaderboard of all the people in the server. Okay, that is it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any problems with it, you can DM me on Discord. I'll be more than happy to help you with setting up your Discord server. And that's it. Peace out.